Good morning, everyone. Happy April. Spring has sprung. It's crazy. It's about to be a sunny day. Hope you guys are all doing well and um, just trying to push through. Hopefully, you're reading some things. If you need book recommendations, got you. If you need Netflix recommendations, I'm also doing a lot of that. So I hope that you're well. Let's go over our agenda for the day. I miss all your faces. I wish we could all be together in the classroom. But alas, we cannot. Okay, our agenda, or our objective, excuse me. We're going to analyze equality's change over time in Anthem. That's our goal for the day on this April 1st. So we're going to go over the do now. I'm going to verbally give that to you today. Then we're going to read part 3 of Anthem. And then I want to talk about grades a little bit and how we can do some last minute things to really get the grades that we have earned and that we want for marking grade 3 before grades lock on Friday. So hopefully you're listening to the video. There's 2 parts to the do now. I'll go over part 1 first, and then at the end, I'll tell you what part 2 is. So make sure you're listening to both. So what you're going to do with this paragraph here is you are going to make it more concise. We've done concision practice before in a lot of our do nows, but what I want you to do is take this sentence, and I'll read it aloud, and take out as many words as you can without totally ruining the meaning of the sentence. So here's the sentence. However, on the other hand, this series hybrid car may require a larger and more complicated battery than other cars, since the electric energy totally replaces gas power to propel the automobile. So a hybrid car is something that I have a hybrid car. It's half gas, half electric. So it's very important. I wouldn't eliminate the word hybrid. That's going to need to stay. But for your do now, part 1 of your do now is to make this shorter by deleting words, taking words out of the sentence without altering the meaning. Okay. Part 2 of your do now is that later in the video, when we talk about grades, I've underlined a phrase. The only underlined phrase that I have. If you also put the underlined phrase in your do now response from later in the video, you're going to get a little treat, bump to your grade, and a little shout out as well. Okay, so part 1, make this concise. Part 2, find that underlined phrase and add it to your do now response. So you might need to come back and do your do now later. So today we're reading part 3 of Anthem in activelylearn.com. And as you're reading today, I want you to notice or try to notice the shift in equality's purpose. Equality is going to make a discovery today, and that may or may not shift equality's purpose. So I'm going to be looking for that. And I spelled purpose wrong right now that I'm just seeing it. Today's free response at the end of the section is how has this invention changed equality 72521 and their purpose? What is their purpose now? Use tide, of course, to answer this response. Okay, so addressing what was their purpose, what is their purpose now, based on what we've read. So again, I sent this message out yesterday in Google Classroom, but if you are currently under a 70%, you are required to come into Google Meet today now that the video is over. If anyone has questions, you can come join me, of course, in Google Meet until 10:40. Oh, there's an underlined phrase here. Maybe that's part of our do now. Today's class will replace 2 low scoring / incomplete assignments, but it will still be based on correctness for today. So I want you to try your very best, take as much time as you can to complete the work in Actively Learn for part 3. Get my help if you need my help, because today, the score that you get today is going to replace 2 of your low scoring ones. So I really want you to work hard today and get that work done. Okay. So if there are no other questions, you guys are off to go do it. I hope you have a great day. Please, please, please come into Google Classroom if you need help, or if you're under a 70%, you are required to. And I will talk to you all later. Have a great day. Get outside later when the sun is out, and I'll see you tomorrow.